Morning, folks. Ron Ray here. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on with my new home health company, my new home care company. Finally got my state license application submitted last week, and we're just waiting for the state of Texas. They have 45 days from the date of submission to get back with an approval on the application. So looking at about another 5 weeks before I can get started working. And I just wanted to kind of give you a breakdown of what I've spent so far on this process. So I figured out pretty quickly that I needed to hire a consultant to help me do this as I started reading the laws and the regulations and printed up half a ream of paper just in the local regulations. I figured out that I was going to need help with this. So I hired a consultant, and that cost me about $9,000. It cost me exactly $9,000. And they do everything. They do from your license application to all your policies and procedures, customized for you and sent to you, and ongoing training. They put on a boot camp a couple of times a year that you can go to for free, ongoing consultation for life, and just seemed like a really good deal for all the help that I was going to get. And I use 21st Century home care consultants down in Florida, and I don't get anything from them for this. They're not paying me. I'm not a paid endorsement or anything, but I just want to give them some props. They did a really good job. They've been very, very helpful. Anything I need, they've always been very willing and able to promptly answer my questions, and I'm really happy that I picked them. I looked at a couple of different ones before I made that selection because it's a lot of money. It's a big decision. So I did the research, and that led me to them. And sure enough, the reviews were correct. So good job, 21st Century. So that was $9,000. My LLC, I just paid my CPA to do that for me. Cost me $600. That included the filing fee with the state. Also, my application fee was about $2,700, just a little bit less than $2,700. That's for a 3-year license in Texas. So we sent that off, and so won't be any more fees to the state for the next 3 years. And I've paid my 2 administrators a little bit. There's really not much work to do right now, so I'm not paying them very much. They're just kind of staying at home, being on call, in case I need something. But I'm really doing the majority of the work here. Until in a couple of weeks, I'll start bringing them in so we can start interviewing caretakers and get this business rolling. Now, I haven't really kept track of it, but so far probably paid them about $1,000. So I'm about $13,300 or so into this before I even am able to start soliciting business. So it's a pretty high entry to barrier business. Not only is it cumbersome with paperwork and getting everything set up. It's not really easy to get set up. It's also pretty expensive. Now, you can do it yourself. You don't have to hire the consultant, but I recommend you do, because there's really quite a few landmines that you can get caught up in and have a problem. But anyway, that's where we're at. It is January 25th, and I'd hope to be started a little bit sooner than this, but it's hard to hire people. So it's especially hard to hire people that are going to be super part-time for a while and not really have any significant work. It's even harder. So I was lucky enough to find a couple of ladies that had jobs and just wanted to do this on the side and just get paid basically to stay home for now and then come in later when we're up and running. So that's where we're at. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Let me know what you think, if I could have made anything easier or done anything better. And let me know also kind of what your experience has been and where you're at in your business. So until next time, we'll see you folks. Have a good one.